when Manoj posted all is a series of this 22 at one go in within 2 hours, 22 posts in the form of a template. As the president of a party, and the party urugna, it is like 10% with vote, 10% votes.
They were MLA, they were ZP. Yes.
So as a president of the party and so-called Supremo, you whatever cleaning you have to do or whatever discipline you have to do, you could have done it within yourself. तुका तू social media नाका ते करपा.
बरोबर.
What are you going to project? What is gone wrong? And why you are not explaining to the people what is gone wrong? Because you are answerable to the people. No, it is not a private party or something like that. It is just like a public party. People also are supporting you. There is 10% of electorate which is behind you.
Yeah.
And तुम्ही अशें म्हणिल्लें की गोंया खातीर गोंया सांबाळपाक म्हणून तुमकडे पार्टीच सांबाळूंक जायना जाल्यार तुमी what is happening now?
Correct.
So people are confused. You have to come clear whether it is a money issue, whether there is some kind of dissent within your party. थोडे तुजे against असा खिलाफ आसा that खिलाफ आसा जाल्यार you can clean that. You can clean that. You are a party president. You can knock off people.